Have you ever wondered how investigators solve crimes when there are no witnesses? When the streets are empty and no one saw what happened? How do detectives piece together the truth? The answer may surprise you. The answer often lies in the traces left behind, tiny fragments and subtle clues that most people would overlook. These fragments become the foundation of the investigation. Every contact leaves a trace, a hair, a fingerprint, a smudge of dirt, each telling a story the perpetrator never intended. Even the smallest detail can become a crucial piece of the puzzle, silently recording the events that unfolded. These silent witnesses, often overlooked clues, hold the key to unlocking mysteries that would otherwise remain unsolved. They speak volumes to those who know how to listen. Forensic science gives these clues a voice, translating their silent testimony into evidence that can stand up in court. Through careful analysis, scientists reveal the hidden stories within each trace. It applies scientific principles to criminal investigations, transforming chaos into a structured map of evidence. What once seemed random becomes a logical sequence, connecting people, places, and events. Without forensic science, investigations would rely on unreliable eyewitness accounts and confessions, which can be influenced by memory, fear, or even suggestion. The truth could easily slip through the cracks. Forensic science grounds investigations in verifiable facts, not just human perception. It provides a solid foundation for building cases that can withstand scrutiny. It's a collection of disciplines, biology, chemistry, physics, even botany, working together to solve crimes. Each field brings its own expertise, tools, and methods to the table. Each specialist contributes a vital piece, creating a comprehensive picture when combined. Like assembling a complex puzzle, their collaboration is essential to see the full story. The goal is simple: uncover the truth, serving justice impartially. Forensic science strives to ensure that every case is judged on facts, not assumptions. Forensic science presents evidence, whether it points to guilt or innocence. Its role is not to accuse, but to clarify, to bring light to the facts. In the following sections, we'll explore how these scientific methods connect the dots, reveal hidden truths, and ensure that justice is served for all. Forensic science bridges the gap between mystery and evidence-based truth. It is the discipline that transforms uncertainty into clarity, using the language of science to interpret the silent stories left behind at every crime scene. Through careful observation and methodical analysis, forensic experts unravel puzzles that would otherwise remain unsolved. When investigators arrive at a crime scene, they face a daunting array of questions. Who was here? What events unfolded within these walls? What clues have been left behind, waiting to be discovered? What happened? When did it occur? Why did it happen, and how? Each question is a thread, waiting to be pulled to reveal the bigger picture. Forensic science provides the tools to answer these questions through systematic collection and analysis of evidence. Every detail, no matter how small, is treated as a potential key to unlocking the truth. The process starts as soon as the scene is secured. Everything is documented, from the placement of furniture to the temperature of the room, ensuring that nothing is overlooked or forgotten. Specialized techniques reveal hidden evidence, like latent fingerprints, microscopic fibers, or even traces of DNA invisible to the naked eye. These discoveries can be pivotal in reconstructing the sequence of events. Strict chain of custody ensures evidence remains untainted and reliable in court. Every handoff is recorded, preserving the integrity of the investigation. In the lab, experts use advanced methods. Serologists test blood, toxicologists detect poisons, firearms examiners match bullets to weapons. Each specialist brings unique expertise to the case. Each test extracts crucial information, turning ordinary objects into powerful evidence. The transformation from physical clue to scientific data is at the heart of forensic investigation. This scientific approach offers a level of certainty that eyewitnesses or confessions often lack. DNA profiles can link a suspect to a scene with incredible accuracy, providing answers that stand up to scrutiny. And fingerprints provide tangible, objective connections. Unique to every individual, they are nearly impossible to refute. Forensic evidence can be reviewed and re-examined, allowing for new insights as technology advances or as cases are revisited years later. This makes it especially powerful in court, where the stakes are high and the need for reliable proof is paramount. Forensic science relies on objective analysis, not memory or emotion. It is grounded in repeatable results and peer-reviewed methods, ensuring fairness and accuracy. In every investigation, forensic science is the ultimate bridge from the unknown to the truth, guiding justice with the steady hand of science and reason. At the heart of forensic science lies its most crucial function, linking suspects, victims, and crime scenes together in a web of evidence. This process is the foundation of modern criminal investigations, allowing law enforcement to piece together what happened, who was involved, and how events unfolded. The guiding concept here is Locard's exchange principle, which states that every contact leaves a trace. Whenever two objects come into contact, material is exchanged, no matter how small or invisible to the naked eye. Investigators meticulously search for these traces, footprints, skin cells, fibers, and more, knowing that even the tiniest fragment can connect a suspect to their actions or presence at a scene. Fingerprints, for example, are unique to every individual and remain unchanged throughout a person's life, making them a classic and reliable form of identification. Latent prints left on surfaces, sometimes invisible until revealed by special powders or lights, can be matched to suspects with near certainty, providing powerful evidence in court. Trace evidence such as fibers, hair, or tiny shards of glass can also be crucial. These small clues can tie a suspect to a scene, a victim, or even a specific object involved in the crime. For instance, glass fragments embedded in a suspect's clothing can directly link them to a broken window at the crime scene, providing a clear connection between person and place. Footprints and tire tracks are also valuable. They can reveal shoe brands, unique wear patterns, or even identify a specific vehicle, helping to reconstruct the movements of suspects or vehicles. Each piece of evidence is like a single dot. When connected, these dots form a compelling and detailed picture of the crime. Forensic science is the discipline that connects these dots, building a strong and logical chain of evidence that can stand up in court. While a single clue may not be enough to solve a case, the combination of many pieces of evidence weaves a story that's difficult to dispute, often turning suspicion into certainty. This meticulous, methodical process is what makes forensic science such a powerful tool in the pursuit of justice, helping to solve crimes and bring closure to victims and their families. DNA analysis is the most powerful tool in modern forensic science. DNA is a unique genetic blueprint, found in nearly every cell, and is different for everyone except identical twins. Biological samples, blood, saliva, skin cells, provide irrefutable evidence. Scientists extract and amplify DNA, even from tiny samples, using PCR. They analyze short tandem repeats, STRs, to create a unique genetic profile. Matching a crime scene DNA profile to a suspect is virtually conclusive. DNA evidence has solved cold cases and brought justice decades later. A single cell can link a person to a moment in time, making DNA the ultimate forensic tool. Its reliability has revolutionized criminal investigations. Beyond DNA and fingerprints, trace evidence is crucial in investigations. Microscopic fibers, paint chips, and hair can link suspects to crime scenes. Forensic scientists use microscopes and chemical analysis to match fibers to specific sources. Impression evidence, footprints, tire tracks, tool marks, can be matched to shoes, vehicles, or tools. Ballistics links bullets and cartridge cases to specific firearms through unique markings. Soil and plant material on a suspect's belongings can place them at a crime scene. Botanists and geologists analyze these clues for unique matches. Each form of evidence adds another layer, strengthening the case. Even the smallest clue can have a major impact when combined with others. Forensic science weaves these details into a web of connections. Together, they create an unbreakable case. The smallest trace can be the key to solving a crime. Forensic science is not just about catching the guilty, it protects the innocent. Its objectivity can exclude individuals from suspicion if their DNA or fingerprints don't match the evidence. This prevents wrongful arrests and focuses resources on the real perpetrator. DNA testing has exonerated hundreds of wrongly convicted people, sometimes decades later. Organizations like the Innocence Project use DNA to revisit old cases and free the innocent. Proper evidence collection and preservation are vital, as freedom can depend on a single sample. Forensic science is a crucial check on human error in the justice system. It upholds justice by ensuring only the guilty are punished. Before anyone can be tried, it must be proven that a crime occurred. This is corpus delicti. Forensic science provides the evidence needed to turn suspicion into a criminal case. Toxicology can reveal poisoning and sudden deaths, proving foul play. Ballistics and pathology confirm gunshot deaths and identify weapons. Gunshot residue tests show if someone recently fired a gun. Forensic chemistry can prove arson by detecting accelerants and fire debris. Tool marks or broken windows provide evidence of burglary. In every case, forensic science establishes that a law was broken. This foundational proof allows justice to proceed. Without it, suspicion remains just that, suspicion. Forensic science has transformed criminal justice, giving a voice to silent witnesses. It builds fact-based narratives that hold up in court, ensuring accountability. It also protects the innocent, exonerating those wrongly accused. Science's impartiality is its greatest strength, serving only the truth. Forensic science proves when a crime has occurred, drawing clear lines between accident and intent. It's a story of relentless curiosity and the pursuit of truth. Forensic science protects communities and safeguards liberty. It ensures justice is built on evidence, not assumption. As technology advances, new truths will continue to emerge.